Can't make this up. But for the record, let me remind you all, because I know some of you guys have short memory. When Rick left, I told you all to hire Lane Kiffin. I even went and called the athletic director. Lane said he would walk to Miami. That's what he said. Then you had a second opportunity when you fired Manny Diaz. Told you to hire him then. Who's the hottest coach in college football right now? Who? The guy that I told you guys to hire and you didn't listen. I guess I gotta be from Southwest 8th Street for you to listen, huh?